Imagine having the ability to release everything that's holding you back in just a few minutes. What if I told you there's a simple exercise that can help you let go of negativity, stagnant energy, or limiting beliefs and shift your mindset into a higher, more aligned frequency? Yes, you heard that right. Today we're going to dive deep into a powerful exercise, the pouring water exercise, a simple yet incredibly transformative tool inspired by Diana Cooper. This practice taps into the essence of water, a powerful symbol of flow, movement, and cosmic properties that can instantly raise your vibration and help you manifest more effectively. And the best part, it's incredibly easy, and you can do it right now. Stick with me till the end because not only will I explain how this exercise works, but I'll also share a bonus tip that will amplify its power. Let's get started. So, why water? In Neville Goddard's teachings, we learn that everything is energy, and that includes our emotions, thoughts, and beliefs. Water is one of the most potent substances in the universe because it holds the ability to flow, shift, and transform. Water can carry and transmute energy, making it the perfect medium to symbolize the flow from one state of being to a higher one. This exercise is essentially an energy clearing technique that allows you to let go of what no longer serves you while simultaneously creating space to bring in your new desires. Think of it as a reset button for your energy field. It's about making a conscious decision to release what's blocking you and then consciously inviting in the energy of your goals, dreams, and desires. It's simple, yet so profound. Hey, I've got something exciting to share with you. Are you ready to boost your confidence, attract positivity, and feel more at peace? My new ebook, Powerful and Positive Affirmations to Change Your Life in 30 Days, is the ultimate guide to creating lasting change. With daily affirmations, guided meditations, and visualization techniques, this 30-day challenge will help you feel more motivated, confident, and purposeful. And the best part, it's only $4.99. Start your transformation today. Grab your copy and watch your life change. Let's break this down and understand exactly how it works. Step 1, fill a glass of water. That's it, just grab a glass of water and fill it up. But here's the key. This water is more than just a liquid. It's a representation of the flow of life, the fluidity of energy, and the essence of cleansing. As you fill the glass, visualize it as a vessel for all the old, stagnant energy you wish to release. Imagine that this water holds everything that is no longer serving you, from limiting beliefs to past disappointments, fears, or doubts. You're giving yourself permission to release these things from your energy field. By simply filling the glass, you're symbolizing your willingness to let go. Now, step 2, hold the glass of water to your third eye. This is where the magic happens. The third eye, also known as the Ajna, is the center of intuition, insight, and higher consciousness. By holding the glass of water here, you're connecting with your inner wisdom and inviting your higher self to help you release the old energy. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths as you focus on everything you want to release. See it clearly in your mind's eye. It could be a feeling of fear, anxiety, or a belief that you're not worthy of success or happiness. Whatever it is, allow it to rise to the surface. And then, as you hold the glass, imagine all of that energy being absorbed by the water. Water, as we know, absorbs and holds energy, whether it's physical or emotional. You're giving the water permission to carry away these old energies. Here's a shocking fact that might surprise you. Studies have shown that water can actually hold energy and even emotions. This is why it's so powerful when used in manifestation techniques. Water has memory, and it can store the vibrations of your thoughts and feelings. As you hold that glass to your third eye, the water is absorbing the energy you want to release, allowing you to let go of the things that no longer serve you. It's almost like a cleansing ritual for your mind, body, and soul. Step 3. Once you feel that you've released everything, it's time to pour that water down the drain. The drain represents the letting go, the clearing away of the old energy. As you pour the water down, visualize it carrying away everything that's been holding you back. Picture it swirling down the drain, taking with it any negative thoughts, limiting beliefs, or past experiences that have kept you stuck. This action symbolizes the physical release of the old energy. And just like that, it's gone. This is where you create space for the new. Imagine the drain as like a portal, a cosmic channel that allows all the stagnant energy to flow out, clearing the way for new possibilities. And here's something that will resonate with anyone who's ever practiced the law of attraction. When you release negative energy, you're making room for more positive energy to enter your life. It's the law of circulation. What goes out must come back in. The more you release what no longer serves you, the more space you create for the universe to bring you what you truly desire. When you make space, the universe fills that space with abundance, opportunities, and blessings. That's the magic of this process. Step 4. Now feel a second glass of water and hold it to your third eye once more. This is where the magic deepens. With the second glass of water, you're preparing yourself to bring in the energy of your new desires, visions, and goals. As you hold the second glass, feel its energy. This time, think about everything you want to birth into your life. What are your desires? What dreams have you been nurturing in your heart? This glass of water is now a representation of the new energy you wish to bring in. Hold it to your third eye and visualize your dreams as already having come true. See them, feel them, experience them with all your senses. This is where the law of attraction comes into play. You're not just wishing for something, you're feeling the emotions of already having it. In Neville Goddard's teachings, he emphasizes the power of assumption, assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled. When you take the water and place it at your third eye, you're inviting that feeling into your being. You're assuming it is already here. You're aligning with the frequency of your desires, and the universe will begin to mirror that alignment. Here's a fact that might surprise you. Feeling is the secret, and it's the most powerful force in the law of attraction. When you can feel the emotions of already having your desire, you are energetically matching the vibration of that desire. And when you align your energy, the universe has no choice but to respond with the physical manifestation of your desires. Step 5. The final step is to drink the water. Yes, you read that right. As you drink the water, you are symbolically ingesting the energy of your desires. The water now represents the new energy you've invited into your life. As you drink it, imagine that this energy is being absorbed into every cell of your body, infusing you with the vibration of abundance, success, love, and everything you've envisioned. You are now in perfect alignment with your desires. The universe is listening, and it's already on its way to delivering. And here's your bonus tip. Drink the water with absolute faith. You've already let go of the old energy, and you've invited in the new. Now, trust the process. Know that the universe is always working in your favor. When you trust, you speed up the manifestation process. It's like planting a seed and having unwavering faith that it will grow. So, drink the water, and with each sip, feel the energy of your desires expanding within you. This practice is simple, yet it's incredibly powerful. It combines the art of releasing the old, aligning with your vision, and fully embracing the new. I encourage you to try this pouring water exercise daily or whenever you feel the need to release and reset. It's a great way to stay aligned with your highest self and the energy of your desires. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this powerful exercise in their life. And leave a comment below telling me how the pouring water exercise worked for you. What did you release? And what did you invite in? I can't wait to hear about your experiences. Until next time, keep raising your vibration and manifesting your dreams.